Hello, ladies. Hi, how's everybody doing? I'm Janice, the owner of Magic Hair Company, the best glueless lace wig store located here in Culver City, California. As you can see by all of the beautiful wigs in front and behind me, we do custom color here on our glueless lace wig. This is one of my favorites. As you can see, she's nice and secure. I can shake my head up and down and side to side. She's not sliding off or going anywhere. Next, I'm going to try on my favorite long blonde wig that was definitely custom colored here in store. We have the best and most amazing custom wig colors. So if you're looking for a custom colored wig, look no further than Magic Hair Company. Not only do we have the finest quality wigs, not only are our wigs glueless and secure, but we can customize the color and style for you right here in store. Check out our website, magichaircompany.com. That's the only place you can find our wigs and extensions online, or come shop with us here in our Culver City store. Appointment preferred. Ladies and gentlemen, we have what you're looking for. We can style the wig for you, trim the wig for you, and most importantly, all of our wigs are glueless. You don't see me using any glue or adhesive in this video. You see me sliding on these beautiful, secure, 100% human hair wigs. You can definitely style them. We'll style it for you. We have our signature shampoo and conditioner available at magichaircompany.com and in store. What are you waiting for? Throw that old wig away and come upgrade your wig today with Magic Hair Company. We have the best glueless lace wigs. Shop with us in store or online. We're Magic Hair Company and we're changing lives one custom wig at a time. Bye.